Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me this fly, and I've already, just for his information, I've already bitmapped it and traced it, and he's trying to get rid of the white background, and I've ungrouped everything. This particular fly has a bunch of different whites in it, and you could just go through here and start selecting whites and make your job a little bit easier. But it's still going to have all these whites in the interior part of the fly, and they're even made up of different whites. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Begin New Search. We're going to click on Fills, Uniform Fills, press Next, and then go right here, specify a color, go down to your eyedropper and get on a white. It's 253 white. Then just click back on your box and go Next, Finish, Find All, X out of that, and then hit Delete. And it deleted, but there's still some other white, so you'll have to do it again. Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, Begin New Search, Next, Fills, Next, Find Uniform Fills, Next, specify color, get your eyedropper again, and go down here, and now it's 252. Click back on this, go Next, Finish, Find All. You have to X out of here, and then hit the Delete. You've still got some other whites. Go Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Begin New Search, Fills, Uniform Fills, Next, Specify, click on this, get your eyedropper tool, go down there and you got 254, click back on there, Next, Finish, Find All, X out, and hit Delete. There's still some whites. This is a really good video for this. So we'll do the same thing. Hopefully this will get rid of all of them. Find and Replace, Find Object, Fills, Uniform Fill, Next, Specify, click on this, get your eyedropper, and let's click. Now we're at 249 white. Click on that, Next, Finish, Find All, X out of there and hit Delete. Still some whites, and that might actually work for engraving, but we might as well go and do all the things. Begin New Search, Fills, Uniform Fills, Next, specify color, get your eyedropper. Now we're at 250 white. Next, hopefully this will get rid of all of them. Nope, there's still some whites, and there's actually some grays in there. So you could go through here and delete these till you get a yellow, but that would take a lot of time. And let's just see what these other whites are. There's 235 white, 247. So it's going to take a lot of doing, but if you really want to do it, it'd be worth it. You could test that to see if it worked good in engraving. Some of those whites might not even engrave, or they would definitely sand off. Begin New Search, Fills, Uniform Fills, Specify, get your eyedropper tool, and there's that 235. Click on that. Basically that's a off gray. Find All. I got rid of a lot more. Let's zoom in here. Same thing. This is taking a lot longer than I would have thought. Find, Begin New Search, Fills, Uniform Fills, click on Specify Color, get your eyedropper tool, 247, Click on that, next. Find all, X out of there and hit delete. That took out more of them, but there's still an awful lot of white. Now, one thing we could do, if the blacks are all connected, you could do that. And then you have no whites in here. But you would want to go over here and do this. You would want to, let's see how big our item is. It's like 6 inches, so let's put our nudge factor to 7. Let's zoom in here. Let's pick that black, cursor over that black. And you're really going to have to remove the whites because they're just too much broken up stuff. Now this is good because you could actually delete this name. You can come up from the bottom and actually get that name and delete it. And because you probably wouldn't want the name. Now it might be easier to do and find your whites now, but you could also zoom in here, click on your blacks, move them over, click on your black, and if you look down here, you can get your color to make sure you're not getting any whites. But this would be too tedious to do more than what I'm going to do with this. And like I said, most of the whites are not going to engrave anyway. There's just too many black pieces in here to do this properly. See, we're actually on a white right there, or a wrong color, probably a gray. Anyway, I hope that helped him. He could, there shouldn't be too many more colors of whites in there. Let's just do our eyedropper test. There's a 245, 246, 242, 244. So there's quite a bit of whites left. I might try to figure out another way to do that, but I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.